guys are on the go, know what I'm saying? My little cutie in the cut. Jeez. Back to the gang shit. Big moves. Gee, man. Cutie in the cut. Gang shit, man. Back to the robberies. My head's up. Oh, I shouldn't even say that. Jeez.
The right lane to take exit 1.
Aye. Right?
You paid so much. Fuck.
Goofy shopping. Jeez, guys, we're about to try this right now. Jeez, this place is actually nice. Alright. Jeez, guys, we're in the place. Yes. Jeez. These guys, so this is the restaurant where we're trying the food at. About to box these burgers. That's all we got, burgers in this? Yeah. This shit came up to 40 bucks. 30 to 40 bucks. More.